Okay, so we're learning to solve addition and subtraction problems by using groupings of 5. Here's our example. At the zoo, the monkeys were given 17 bananas. Their keepers gave them 6 more. How many bananas did they have altogether? So there are a couple of ways that we can do this. We can, because we're looking at groupings of 5, we can add 1, 2, so 5, 10, 15, plus 2 is 17, plus another 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, and then we're going to add our 2, and then we're going to add our 1, which equals 23. Or we can do it using number boards. So we've got 15 plus 2, 5 plus 1 equals 20. So we've got our 15 plus our 5 is 20, plus our 2 plus our 1, which is then here, equals 23. And we can show that in this form here as well. So 17 plus 6 equals 23.